Slope of a line joining 2 points. Slope is m. If the 2 points are x1 comma x2, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then the slope is rise over run. So vertical change, rise is the vertical change, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So in this case, the first problem, let's label the points x1, y1, x2, y2. So it's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that is 2y minus 7y divided by 5x minus 3x. So that's 2y minus 7y is negative 5y divided by 5x minus 3x, which is positive 2x. So the slope is negative 5y divided by 2x. Now let's look at the next problem. So we are given 2 points. Notice that the x coordinate of the point is unknown, that is an A. The slope is given, so we use all this information, set up an equation, and then find A. So we start off with slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So that is vertical change over horizontal change. So that's vertical over horizontal. Each is the change that is measured. So m is 3. So we plug in 3. y2 minus y1. So that is, so y2 is negative 5 minus negative 3, so y2 minus y1 divided by x2, which is 2, minus x1, which is A. So this is 3 on the left is equal to negative 5, negative times negative is positive 3 divided by 2 minus A, which is the same as 3 equals negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 over 2 minus A. Now we cross multiply. So 3 times 2 minus A is equal to negative 2 times 1, which is the same as 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative A is negative 3A equals negative 2. Now we have to solve for A, so we have to get A by itself. So let's subtract 6 from both sides first. So we get 0 minus 3A is equal to negative 8. That is negative 3A is equal to negative 8. We divide both sides by negative 3. To get A equals 8 over 3.